Most people still believe that making money online means working more hours. More clients, more hustle, more stress. But something strange is happening in 2026. A new type of entrepreneur is quietly building businesses that don't depend on their time at all. They build the system once, and the system works every day, even while they sleep. Today I'm going to show you 3 AI businesses that can run almost completely on autopilot. But stay with me until the end, because the last one might be the most powerful opportunity on this list. 1. AI content automation. Let's start with the first one. Right now the internet runs on one thing: content. Every video you watch, every article you read, every post you scroll past, someone created it. But in 2026, something has changed. Many creators are no longer producing content manually. They're building AI content systems. Here's how it works. AI generates the idea and script. Another tool creates the voiceover. Another tool edits visuals automatically. Then the content is uploaded. And once the content is online, it can keep attracting views every single day. Those views can turn into things like ad revenue, affiliate commissions, digital product sales. Think of it like digital real estate. You build it once, and it keeps producing value. But here's the interesting part. Some creators are now running entire content businesses with automation tools. And the second AI business we're about to talk about is even more powerful because it doesn't rely on views at all. 2. AI micro SaaS. The second opportunity is called AI micro SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. Instead of selling products, you sell access to a tool. For example, a tool that writes product descriptions automatically, a tool that generates marketing emails, a tool that summarizes long documents. Users pay a small monthly subscription, maybe $5, maybe $10, maybe $20. But here's where the math becomes powerful. Imagine just 1,000 users paying $10 per month. That's $10,000 per month from one small tool. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. Just software solving problems. And because AI handles most of the work, the system can run with very little human input. And by the way, if you enjoy learning about building assets, passive income systems, and smarter income strategies, consider subscribing, because that's exactly what this channel is about. But now we come to the third idea. And honestly, this is the one most people completely ignore. Yet it might be the most powerful opportunity on this list. 3. AI asset builders, most powerful. Most people online are chasing quick money, quick trends, quick views, quick sales. But wealthy people focus on something different. Assets. Assets that continue producing value long after the work is done. And AI is making it easier than ever to build these digital assets. For example, AI can help create entire websites. It can help build digital tools. It can help develop automated platforms and information hubs. Once these systems start attracting users, they can generate income through things like advertising, subscriptions, affiliate partnerships. And here's the powerful part. Every asset you build becomes another system working for you. Instead of trading time for money, you begin creating systems that produce value automatically. And when multiple assets start working together, that's when financial leverage begins. This is the real shift happening right now. Not just AI tools, but AI-powered asset building. The biggest mistake people make when they hear about AI is thinking it will replace them. But the smarter question is this: how can AI become your employee? How can you design systems that continue running even when you're offline? Because the future of business may not belong to the people who work the hardest. It may belong to the people who build the smartest systems. The ones who build assets. The ones who automate. The ones who let technology work for them. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building assets, passive income systems, and smart investing, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to the channel. Because on this channel, we break down the ideas that help ordinary people build extraordinary financial freedom. And remember, sometimes the smallest system you build today can become the biggest asset tomorrow. Stay in touch for more information.